My name is Jason Baldonado and I'm the general manager of Trillium Machine. We specialize in Swiss, mill turn, and 5-axis milling. So we were using Henning's EstoTrack. The main issue, the reason why I decided to look for other software is I was doing an inventory audit because, again, I didn't trust that our traceability and inventory system was being handled correctly. So then I said, there's got to be something better. I walked into my office and started searching, and then I found ProShop. Our shop floor workers, when I told them that we were switching to a paperless system, and they were a little hesitant, but then when we had Luke, who was our implementation specialist, come out and show them, pretty much the overwhelming statement that they said is, finally. So we knew that ProShop had a lot of cool features, but we didn't really understand how interconnected all of those features were and how we could just click on one thing and then it's linked into the customer POs, the material certs, the inspection reports, all those things were all linked together. So before ProShop in our old ERP system, we were about 75% on time. And since using ProShop, we've maintained over 95% on-time delivery since we started over a year ago. Since using ProShop, our spindle utilization has increased from 30 to 40% more than we were with the old ERP system. Our return on investment for ProShop paid for itself in less than a year. Being able to be where we're at now, we would have had to hire at least 2 more employees. What made me really consider ProShop was the integrated setup sheets, the inspection results, and also preventative maintenance. I've never had software support like that, where they're basically logging in, putting in time, truly caring about what you're trying to do, and make it as easy as possible to change one of the most difficult things that you could do in a machine shop in switching ERP software. So when we changed to ProShop from our old ERP system, and going from a written traveler and then inspection reports and all that other stuff and going into a completely paperless system, now I can make an adjustment and confirm with the employee that they've seen it, and there's no worrying about, oh, that's no longer controlled, or we have to reprint something because we made an adjustment. It's all live, and it's all live out into the shop. So when we have customer quality audits come by and they see what ProShop is capable of, not only are they impressed, it puts us in a different league compared to their other vendors. Since switching to ProShop, we feel that we have a competitive advantage over other shops.